So good afternoon everyone. I'm Sergeant Alpandia and I'm the speaker and I am going to report the topic about the human environmental factors affecting motivation. So as for the introduction, if environment is defined as the sum total of surroundings, then environmental factors that affect students' motivation include human as well as non-human factors. So the example of environment on the student is the school, where in the school the students can gain knowledge, ideas, and can find new friends on the school. There are three. There are three environmental factors affecting the motivation of the learners. So first is the teachers, second is the classmates, and the third one is the parents. Now let's proceed to the teacher's affective traits. So we all know that the affective traits of the teachers is the motivating and inspiring. So so we are grateful if we have a teacher who motivated and inspired us to pursue our dreams in life. But there is but we must also be grateful to those who were not as motivating and inspiring. In a way, they although they were not inspiring and motivating us, but in a way they also help us to be a better person in a sense that we strive to become better than them. So, researchers cite the following characteristics of an effective teacher, that is, according to James H. Stronger in the year of 2002. So, the first effective characteristics of a teacher is caring. So, as in general, the teacher shows his or her care in his or her students. First is sympathetic listening to students, not only about life inside the classroom, but about students' lives in general or in outside or in their house. So second is understand of students' questions and concerns. So as a teacher, we should understand what are the questions and concerns, and let's accept the questions and concerns of the students. And last is knowing students individually, their likes and dislikes. So we all know that the students have likes and dislikes. So the teacher should know the likes and dislikes of the students inside the classroom, and personal situations, behavior, affecting behavior and performance. Second one is the fairness and respect. So the teacher should show his fairness and respect inside the classroom. So this is very important as a teacher to show his or her fairness and respect inside the classroom. Of course, the teacher must show his or her enthusiasm and motivation for learning. For example, the teacher encourage his or her students to be responsible for their own learning. So this is important inside the classroom to pursue and motivate the students to pursue their dreams and goals in life, and of course maintain and organize the classroom environment, and of course the setting high standards and assigning appropriate challenges, and of course providing reinforcement and encouragement during tasks. And of course, the effective traits or characteristics of a teacher is social interaction with his or her learners. So the teachers and the learners must collaborate, or they have a social interaction. It is important that the teacher and the learners have a interaction inside the classroom. So the second one is the classmates, bullying, and the need to belong. So we can't deny that there was bullying happened inside and outside the classroom. So this bullying may affect the motivation of a one learner. So the need to belong is a basic human need to a learner. So students who are accepted by teachers and classmates feel that they belong to the class. Um, and also students who feel they are part of the class look forward to attending and participating the class. So the sense of belongingness enhances the learning and performance of the learners inside and outside the classroom. So the bullying is the hindrance of the motivation of the one learner. So with bullying in schools, the learning environment can be safe. So this is real that if the bullying is continue to spread inside the classroom or outside the classroom, the learning environment can't be safe. So through all by means, the bullying should be or it is should be eliminated in school. So today, safety in schools is being raised all over the world. So the last factor that affecting the motivation of a learner is the parents. So the parents as part of the learner's human learning environment. So the learner spends at least 6 hours in school and the rest she or he spends at home. Parents therefore are supposed to have more opportunity to be with their children than teachers. So this is the role of the parents to his or her children. So parents who are supportive of their children's learning are observed to the following. First is follow up the status of their children's performance. Second is to supervise the children in their homework project. Next is check their children's notebook. And the fourth one is review their children's corrected sheets, works, and test papers. And of course, attend conferences for parents, teachers, and community association or PTCA. Next is are willing to spend on children's project and to get involved in schools activities and participate actively in school community project. Next is confer with their children's teachers when necessary, and of course are aware of their children's activities in school. Then meet the friends of their children, and last is invite their children's friends at home. So these are the role of the parents to his or her children inside and outside the classroom. So note that unsupportive parent behaviors are opposite of all those listed above. Okay. So the interaction between the learner and the teacher among the learners and co-learners, teachers and parents affect the learner's motivation. Whether the climates that comes as a byproduct of the interaction nurtures or obstruct and learning depends on the quality of this interaction. And that would be all. Thank you.